What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at my storage unit. I'm gonna do some stuff real quick to the car. So since I put the engine in, the one thing that didn't work is the tach. The RPM needle did not work. So today I'm gonna remove the cluster and do some wiring slash soldering in the back of it, and that should work. Lights go away. As you can see, temperature needle is on, battery voltage is on. Gas needle is always going to work because nothing I did really altered the way that was. But you can see the tach does not work. The first thing you want to do is undo these screws up here. The car comes with 2, 4, 5. You may or may not have all 5. So once you remove that piece, you go ahead and just pull this straight out. There are a few harness connected, and then this piece here, this little cover piece, just pops right out as well. There's 2 in the middle right underneath the tach, and then 2 on the outsides, so outer parts. So there are four screws holding that. Now you remove this panel over here, and it just, there's 1 screw, but you may or may not have that screw. And back here there are a few things plugged in. 1, 2, 3. But in order to remove the plastic piece right here, there are little clips. You got to press those in and pull up on the plastic all the way around to remove this piece. So now I have to take the white piece, the black facing, off of here. I have to remove these screws. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all these screws right here. Alright, so this is the actual tach. And what I'm going to do, or let me flip this over so I can show you what needs to happen. This resistor right here, it's 1 wire on the left side, and it goes through the middle and it comes over to the right. Focus camera. Basically what I'm going to do is bypass the resistor itself. So in order to do that, I'm going to find the leads on the back of the circuit board, which is this connector right here, this connector right here, and this connector right here. I'm going to jump a wire from here to here and bypass the resistor on the back side. I learned a long time ago, whenever you're soldering, if you prepare your wire, it makes for an easier job. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding solder to the wire, so when it's time to add it to the circuit board, it doesn't take as much heat to penetrate the wire and the solder and put too much heat on the circuit board. That's one end of it. It's on there. Very good. So now I'm gonna maneuver it so that it goes directly to where I want it to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together, go give it a try, see if it works. So it sits perfectly where it's supposed to. So at minimum that part is good to go. And then you're gonna put your 3 screws back in here. A lot harder to remove, but they were pretty easy. Flawless, brand new, awesome. Well, I broke the little rod, or whatever this is actually called, that sticks in the cluster right here to reset the counter down here. But I'm pretty sure the thing will work without it. Then I'm just gonna snap this in place. And that's all there is to that. I'll be happy if it works. If not, I'm gonna have to try something else. Key on. I don't need any wiper. Let's see. Amazing. Like magic. It works. It's give it a little rev and see what happens. Alright guys, so as you saw, I removed the cluster all the way down and I bypassed that one resistor and it works, right? So with a little bit of research, reading, and just having a general idea of what needs to happen, you oftentimes can do stuff if you just try, you know, and it is usually cheaper too if you get it right the first time. So in this case, I was able to get it to work. So quick video. That was the one thing that didn't work when I put the engine in the car with the wiring harness, computer, and everything else. So now that that is working, it's 100%, everything works the way they should, electronically, mechanically, except the turbos have a small oil leak, which is another story for another time. So until then, I'm out.